Hey everyone! Here are some quick tips on why it is important for your business to run audits for your information technology department. Information technology systems create the backbone of the process that most businesses use. Running an audit for these systems is a way to verify your data and make sure that you are in compliance with all current rules and regulations that are required by the governing body of your industry. An audit is a series of reports that are run for all your IT systems. These are either mandatory audits or optional. The purpose of these audits is to evaluate reliability, determine compliance, and find and control any inefficiencies. Audits are important because they allow you to determine the security of your IT system, while also providing you with information that will help in the decision-making process. Here are some benefits to audit when performed in different sectors of the economy. In the financial sector, audits provide for the following: protection of financial assets against attackers, continuity of services, regulatory compliance, protection of personal information. In the telecom sector, audits should provide the following: service continuity, keeping customer CRM information from competitors, safe adoption of new technologies, security of customer traffic information and compliance with regulations. In the retail sector, audits should provide the following: effective IT project management and ability to deliver IT solutions, credit card information security, finding adequate decision support systems. For more tips and information on managing your assets, check out the link below.